Hello everyone. There is a saying, coming together is a beginning, staying together is process, and working together is success, which means that collaboration is very important. In this session, I'm going to demo the new web app that is here to help you, your team, and your organization to adopt very good and useful collaborative practices in your digital workplace. Habits that will collectively boost the productivity and effectiveness of every team and every process. This app is called Designing Collaboration. Um, in order to use the app, very simple sign-in process is required. And once signed in, you will see the welcome screen. And after clicking the Continue button, the action cards are displayed like this. This is called My Action Screen. And the white circle on each card is a pie chart that will slowly fill as you complete the tasks in the expanded action card. So this is the expanded action card. So to understand the broader context of each action, why it's there, click the three dots next to its title. So there will be an explainer text. You can scroll down, read the text, and then when done. So to collapse the card back, just click this arrow, and it will be collapsed. So the action cards expand into a set of specific actions, each with a small set of simple tasks associated with this. And this progress bars on the top will show you the progress for each individual task. So the actions shown are based on your login role: senior manager, middle manager and team leader, team member and community manager. You can change your role on the welcome screen in this section. So you can select other role. By default, you will be assigned a senior leader role, but then it can change to any other. To understand more about a specific action, the part it plays in developing great collaboration habits, click the link to the page reference in the book Designing Collaboration. Similar to this one. This is a link that goes to the PDF and the chapter in the book. The task screen represents the little simple tasks that you need to complete for each action. Once completed, your progress will be reflected in the pie chart on the dashboard and in your My Cards action. If you can come back to the task page any number of times to add or edit your inputs. It doesn't have to be completed in one pass. When all the tasks are completed, you will see this tick box sign. So this big one is for the entire card, and the little ones are for the sub actions for every element. The actions and tasks in this app are based on the following designing collaboration playbooks: senior leaders, middle managers, team members, community managers, and remote working. Collectively, they are designed to introduce essential collaborative working habits, one action and task at a time, at your own pace. The URL to the Designing Collaboration app is below the video. Enjoy and happy collaborating!